Hi, it's Andrew Post with NewGen Advisory here. I just want to talk real quick about interest rates and maybe some strategies that you as an owner can take to help your take home. A lot of people in the last couple of years got SBA and USDA financing, which is of course a variable rate. A year ago, 2 years ago, when we were looking at low fives, mid fives, low sixes, didn't seem too challenging. However, with how quickly rates have increased, that monthly payment has in some cases nearly doubled. I'm actually one of those people. Our rate is at prime plus 250, so we have a 10% interest rate now, which is crazy to say considering where rates have been for the last maybe 20 years. I don't think it's hit 10 for that long. So what I mentioned a little while back, at least to some of the guys I'm working with here, is in order to build a relationship with a local lender that's more likely to be flexible on interest rates and fixed rate and reduced prepayment penalties, you have to prep now, or you have to prep for a while to be able to convince them or allow them to consider hospitality as palatable. That's one of the challenges we deal with. Most lenders say, we're not lending to hospitality, or we're regional, or it's only people that we work with. Well, that doesn't mean it's a no. It means you have to think about what they're saying and take action on that. So in my case, we're using a local lender to refinance our property, and we're trying to get in the low sixes a fixed interest rate. That means we've got to open accounts with them. We've got to try and give other services that they offer into the fray. That builds that relationship. A lot of times it takes time, but be clear with these local lenders what you're looking to do. Hey, we want to open a checking and a savings account. We want to see if you can do payroll services. We want to see, what other services you guys can provide, and we want to build that into our hospitality operation. We have a lot of money rolling through a lot of these hotels. That's very, very advantageous for some of these lenders. So how can you benefit from it? Make sure they know, I want you to refinance me. I want low prepayment penalties so I have flexibility if I do decide to sell. I want to make sure that my rate is fixed. I want a longer amortization period. You can't get those things without building that relationship now. So find that local bank, find that local credit union, go and meet with them. It's not something that's going to make you money right now, but building that relationship is very important so that you have access to some more aggressive financing, which will make it so you're not dealing with these high 8s, high 9 interest rates for SBA and USDA. Hope that's helpful. Any questions? Don't hesitate to reach out.